Aujourd'hui, nous allons parler de trois business rentables en Afrique.
Today we have three good business that we should launch in Africa. So we're going to start with the first business is how do you start a feeding food for animals. In Africa, we see we have a lot of entrepreneurs who have who have animals farms like poultry, and most of them lack where to buy food for them. So today we're going to show you a machine which can cost you anywhere from 500 to 1,000 US dollar or 3,000 US dollar that you can use to feed, to produce or to process animal or feeding animal or volatile feeding animals, food feeding animals. This is a very good business because you won't have a lot of competition in Africa. So let's get started. So I want you to subscribe and to share this video and like with your friends and share with your friends and family. So check this machine. You'll use this machine to process the food for animals or for poultry farmers. So poultry farmers, they will need food. The most expensive that they use is the food that they use to feed the animals. Because if they don't feed the animals, they'll have losses in their business. So what you need to do, you need to go talk to them, find out in your area if you have a lot of entrepreneurs who have farmers or have animal or who have um, poultry. Talk to them, check these machines. This machine cost anywhere from, like I said, 500 to 3,000. And many people will ask me here, what is the raw material? So in order for you to process or to fabricate food for animals, your raw material can be maize, can be rice, can be many product, right? So beans or yeah, like I said, maize or like cassavas, correct? Cassava leaves also. Check the pictures. As you can see, we have a lot of those raw material back home, and this can be cassava or maize leaves as well. And like you go to the farm, you just take the maize leaf, the maize, the cassava's leaves, then you can start producing this food for the farmers. So before you can start with this business, what you need to do, you need to find out how many entrepreneur who has poultry or who has animal around your area. So once you know how many do you have, then you can buy the machine. And first you talk to them, you propose them, you tell them that you have machines that you have product, like you have poultry product that you can sell them so that they can feed their animals. Or so now after you do that, so you'll discuss the price. So you ask them where to buy the food for the animals. You know the price. Then after that, then you can contact us. Our numbers are on the description of this video. You can go contact me on WhatsApp, or you can send me, or you can text, or you can leave your comment on this video, or contact me on WhatsApp. I will help you how to get this machine. Okay, so that's how you proceed with getting the machine. Then when you have the machine, before you can even buy the machine, you need to find out where to get your raw material. You need to discuss with people who have raw material. This is the end product after you finish with end product after you finish with the end product. So I was going to forget. I said this business can also be used for fish feed. You use rice, you use beans, but mostly for poultry, fish, pork, or any other type of animals that you can see, that you can think of, as you can see on the picture. So the end product looks very good. You can also sell this to people who have a fish farm and stuff like that. So what you need to do, you need to have a very good packaging. If you want, you can do a manual packaging there for the start. Then after that, then you can do a automatic or semi-automatic packaging that will help you to attract more clients. It's very, very, very important. And your numbers, you can get up to 50% on your profit on return on investment. Your return on investment can be done quickly because as long as you can get those farmers who can buy the food so that you can sell quickly, you will get more return on investment, up to 50%. And as I was saying, in Africa, you don't have a lot of people doing this. You will be one of the first to start doing this food processing for animals, and then you can make more money and be the first one to do it and be known in your city. So what you can do, you can also create a account like WhatsApp, or not WhatsApp, I was going to say Facebook, Instagram, TikTok account, just to advertise your product, correct? So you can show them, as I was saying, you can use cones to fabricate those products. So many people ask question, how long does it take for the machine to arrive in Africa? So when you purchase the machine with Invest in Africa now, it will take about 3 weeks, 3 to 4 weeks for the machine to arrive to Africa. And we'll ask our agent to purchase the machine in China. This machine is coming from China or India. Then we will ship the machine for you, and then you will receive the machine back in your home country. You will give us the number, address, and everything that we need to contact you. To transfer the money for buying this machine, you'll do Western Union transfer, and then we will transfer the machine. Second business is charcoal. In Africa, we still have issue with electricity. I was recently in Africa. I visited like 4 countries in Africa: Congo, South Africa, and I think Zambia. This country still have electricity issue, so people are still cooking with charcoal. So these are the machines that you can buy for 2,800 US dollar. You can buy this machine and you can start selling this machine to entrepreneurs back in Africa who can produce charcoal and sell it to people who want to use charcoal to cook, because most effective and fastest way to cook food in Africa is still charcoal. So we need to fabricate ecological charcoal, not like traditional that we used to have. So with this machine, you can spend about 2,300 to 2,800 US dollar. You purchase this machine with us, then we'll ship the machine back home. You can start producing charcoal, or you can sell this machine to entrepreneurs who want to start business on producing charcoal. Here again, you need to be able to have a very good packaging. So packaging will help you to attract more clients. So how do you get more good packaging? You need to contact invest in Africa now. Will help you to also buy a packaging machine. Then where do you sell this product? You can sell it directly to end user, or else you can go to a shopping center or shops and start putting your product there, and you can sell it directly there. So what is the raw material? Raw material can be wood, can be like recycled material that you can use. So then this machine come with 2 steps. First step is to crush the raw material. Second step is to produce the end product. I would like you to subscribe to this channel and share this video. If you like our videos, we have about 100 video already in this channel, and we want you to subscribe. YouTube is notifying us that many people who are following our channel are not subscribed yet. So please subscribe and like this channel, like this video. This for you to support us. So third business and last business for this video, again, it has to do with the issue with electricity in Africa, like I was saying. So when we find issues, we find opportunity as entrepreneurs. So today, the last or our third business to launch in Africa is ice block producer. Sorry. So we need to buy an ice block producer machine so we can start producing ice block. Because why? When I was in Africa, in Zambia, in Congo, I saw a lot of kids selling cold drinks. This can be water, this can be soda and juice, but they needed to keep them in a cold. So you can be reselling this ice block to them. There are many people who have alimentation or shops that they're selling fishes. They need to keep the fishes in the cold. There are many people who have restaurant, bar, hotels. They need to keep the food, the drink in the cold, and there's no electricity. So this can solve that problem. So you can buy this ice cold block machine, and you can start that business. You will make a lot of money, because this is a business that maybe you find less people are doing this business in your city. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to go talk to those people who sells product online. On the street. Ask them how they get it to be cold. Ask them if they would like to buy ice block product from you. You tell them the price, so you ask how much they're buying from some other people. So that's how you will know how your business will be profitable. For this machine, with us, you can purchase this machine for 3,000 US dollar. We can help you get this machine to your home country. You give us the address, you send the money, then in 4 to 3 weeks, we will send this machine to you. Yes, you will need electricity to get this ice to be cold. You need to be in a zone where there's electricity, or you can buy a small generator that you can use to get this ice to be cold. So find your customer, your end customer first before you can think about starting this business idea. For all the business in this video, we would like you to find the end customer first before you can start starting this business. Thank you, and see you in the next video.